for a tight squeezing right there.
Oh yeah, it definitely is.
Man, I mean, tell you, they got to be skinny and limber to build the.
I don't think you're getting through there.
No, I wouldn't be able to. I got bad knees the way it is.
Oh yeah, I had a hard time getting out.
That's why they're doing that.
Yeah.
Especially in tight squeeze like that.
For all the viewers, this is the guy that takes care of the scrap. So.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. So this is the room that we were working on before. They started ripping up the floors. They have all this ripped up. They have this down here. They're taking up the sewer lines, right?
Huh?
Are they taking up the sewer lines?
No, it used to be the water line for the.
Oh, bathrooms.
No, for the.
Boiler?
For the boiler.
Okay, yeah.
Used to be the boiler water line.
I see. These are parts to a barrel, an old whiskey barrel. I guess they had some moonshine down here. Oh, there's even more. Look at that. Isn't that amazing?
Go ahead.
So is this your guys' bucket?
Nope, no, it was down here already.
I think I'll claim it then. Yeah. Well, you see, I sell stuff at antique shops.
You do?
Yeah. So I mean, I just do it for like just enough to sell it, but it's better than throwing it in the trash, you know.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool. Wow, that's so cool.
Get it down that way up. There's another pipe. Right here.
Being a trash man. Yeah. I used to go around picking up trash with different guys, and they used to tell me, hey, you see any asbestos insulation, don't take it. And okay, I will. Yeah. And there was other stuff that they wouldn't accept. Down there, this is the old barrel.
Yeah. So, would you want me to put that barrel back together for you?
The other one. Wow.
There's probably enough parts to put it back together for if you want.
If you can.
I was wondering, do you want this bucket?
But yeah, I'm almost sure that was for bootleggers.
I wonder what that bucket was for.
That might have been too.
It might have been.
Well, either way,
Metal or,
it's metal, yeah. Looks like it might be tin or something like that.
Keep it. I'll ask Kendra. I mean,
It
more
was
than likely.
paint. I can put it in the basement.
Yeah, put it in the basement.
If you guys are going to throw it away, though, I can sell it for like $1 or something like that.
That wrapping paper is on the back porch there. Kendra said she didn't want it, so if you want
Oh, okay, yeah, that works. You could remove some bricks if you need.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
You gotta be pretty skinny to get through there.
yeah.
Awful crooked there.
Oh yeah.
Bent.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. It's all.
For some reason,
And look at the floor. It's all gone down because of that. If you look from over
Yeah, it
here.
is. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna have to be jacked up and. Yeah.
Photograph all on the
Ain't you itching? Well, I imagine. Oh, that insulation, no, well, the dust too, don't melt maybe. Yeah, back in there. Hey, do you feel like a groundhog or something trying to? All right.
That's some pretty nice metal. Youngstown. Was that a metal company?
Brownstown?
A Youngstown.
I've heard that before.
Oh, really? I might end up buying more stuff from you guys.
Oh no, Youngstown, not Brownstown.
Yeah, Youngstown.
major brands like that. That was nice.
Oh, cool.
Percentage of that money spent at done. That's where they did like all the, I mean, there's quite a few decent big names that came there. Yeah, it's not too big, but it's not. I mean, I went there Friday night, this one guy. All my friends have country. Yeah, it's country. Yeah. This section.
So this is pretty cool. Look what he found. It is a board that says something Miller, September 5th, 1902. Pretty cool. Do you just turn to the phones? You just turn the phone and say, hey.
Oh, hit a nail in the head.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if I heard you wrong. I guess I heard you wrong.
It was a grunt or a growl. Like,
Okay.
One word you said wrong.
Yeah. Well, not even one word. It's like one syllable. Plainer into a plainer. It's like, what is plain? What's a plainer? I think I'm probably going to go out and take something there that I'm sure that I'm going to go home.
Sounds good.
Okay. Well, there's some thicker wood there. Definitely going to keep that. Yeah, there's a good amount of stuff that I can take from this. So like that, I might be able to get some bucks for. It's pretty good. A lot of this stuff I can put in the antique shop booth, and someone might get it, like, I don't know, $1 or $2. I mean, someone might be able to find a use for it because they're mostly interested in crafts and stuff there, so pretty sure someone can do that. Forgive me for not filming it. I just kind of done for the day, you know, that kind of It's the end of the day and you're just gonna want to get home. Oh, one more thing. I talked to the owner and some of the workers that are restoring the old building, the 1894 store that was right south of the Orpheum Theater, just down the block. And it's like that way around the building. And it looks like they're having a much harder time because that building had severe water damage. But I offered to help out with that building, so there might be a chance I could have a few episodes about that building. That'd be kind of interesting to see what's in there. Unfortunately for me, that guy pretty much saves anything, so there's not really much for me to get over there. But honestly, I'm kind of happy about that because it's nice for someone to save something. I'm thinking that building might turn into an antique shop, so I might start doing antique sales here in Hillsboro instead of going all the way to Greenville. So that might help out pretty good.